ngayon na marami nagngingit-ngit na mga pro-China at saka mga pro-Duterte people na matapos yung, I think this was a concert by Vice Ganda, no? Kung saan nandun si Regine Velasquez. Tapos pinagkatuwaan nila yung ano ba yun? Viral ano yun eh. Parang clip, di ba? Yung jet ski holiday. Okay. So yung ganyan, no? Nakakatulong po ba yan sa kausa ng Philippine government, ng Philippine Coast Guard in terms of pushing our sovereign rights or protecting or defending our sovereign rights? Especially in the context of some or many Filipinos themselves questioning your actions. 'Di ba yung mga DDS kasi ngayon tahimik sila, 'di ba? Tahimik sila rito sa issue na ito na nangyari diyan po sa Baho de Masinloc, pero galit na galit sila doon sa joke na 'yon, 'di ba? So in terms of again defending the sovereign rights and pursuing your campaign, 'di ba? To protect our sovereign rights. Nakakatulong ba itong mga ganitong hirit or joke coming from the likes of Vice Ganda?
Alam mo, para sa akin, Sir Christian, itong mga ganitong mga hirit ni Vice Ganda or any other celebrity, no? Kung ikaw, supporter ka ng isang politiko at the same time, you are a fan of Vice Ganda, pag nagsalita ng ganyan si Vice Ganda, kung ikaw talaga rational na tao, no? Para sa akin, it is enlightening kahit i-deliver through jokes, di ba? So, para sa akin, more people like Vice Ganda or any other celebrity na may influence sa society natin should really speak out, no? And influence our countrymen when it comes to fighting for our sovereignty and sovereign rights. Wala naman sigurong masamang binanggit si Vice Ganda dun sa clip niya, no? Sinabi niya lang na pupunta ng West Philippine Sea gamit ang jet ski. Although this was really a promise made by the former president. And years after, sinabi niya, joke lang naman daw. No? So, para sa akin, it helps in increasing awareness of our Filipino countrymen pagdating sa ganitong issue.
Tsaka I remember in a previous conversation that we had, no, medyo nagulat kayo dahil ibang mga kababayan natin na nakatira malayo doon sa Palawan, for instance, sa Bali, sa Pangasinan, para malayo sa kanila issue ng West Philippine Sea, yung pambubuli, pangharas ng China dyan. So since then, I think that was more than a year since we had that conversation. Medyo nag-improve ba? Kumbaga nakatulong ba yung mga ganitong kampanya in terms of providing more information and perhaps enlightenment sa ating mga kababayan?
Yes, based on the recent survey, Sir Christian, 84% na ng ating mga kababayang Pilipino are supporting for our fight in the West Philippine Sea. Alam mo, when we started doing this, Sir Christian, since the first time I was interviewed, no, dito sa show mo, parang 60 or 70 pa lang yata ang mga Pilipinong tumitindig sa laban natin na to. But this time around, I think 84% is already a very solid number of our supporters pagdating sa issue ng West Philippine Sea. But I think we still need to do more dahil alam naman natin na mga pro-China trolls, they're still doing more. They are exerting more effort para makapambudol pa sila ng mas maraming Pilipino.